For those transactions that require manual double entry, it can be done in journal entry. You need to go to Accounting sidebar and select Journal Entry. In this video, I'm going to show you two examples of manual entries that can be done in journal entry of SimBiz 6. So first example is a depreciation entry, and the other example is account adjustment, which is also known as contra. So first up is you need to select the document number of the journal entry. So if you have a list of document number for your journal entry, you can select from the list, and then you can also add new document numbering format by clicking add new and select the document date. And since this is a depreciation entry, I'm going to create an entry for January depreciation. So click the calendar icon and select the date and insert the journal title. And if you have any remarks to put inside this input field, you can do so. And then click save. And after that, you need to select the account. In this case, I'm going to select depreciation account and then click plus icon. And after that, I'm going to select the accumulated depreciation account, which is for office furniture. Click plus. And last but not least is computer system, and click plus icon. Now that you have all the accounts, you can start inserting the figures and decide whether it should stay in debit column or credit column. So I'm going to start off with depreciation account, and then the other two accounts after it. And when you're done, click save. So as you can see here, the total debit and total credit amount are balanced. So if your total debit and total credit is not balanced, system will not allow you to confirm the journal entry. So in my case, both are balanced, so I'm going to click confirm. So now that my journal entry is confirmed, I would like to print it out. So I'm going to click print icon and click print. So this is the PDF format of my journal entry. And if you would like to search out the journal entries that you have created, just click the search icon, and then the document type must be journal entry. And if you have the document number, insert it here, and then select the correct date range. So my entry is created in January, and click search. And then if you like to view that particular document, just click on the document number and you'll be diverted to the journal entry. So next, I'm going to show you a sample of how to do an account adjustment to contra the debtors and creditors account of the supplier and also a customer, which happens to be a business partner. So in my case, I have a business partner who is both my supplier and a customer. So I would like to set off the invoices that I've issued out to this particular business partner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this plus icon to create a new journal entry. And then I have my document number ready and also the document date. So I'm going to insert the journal title as account adjustment. So Vix is my business partner's name. And then if you have any remarks, you can insert in this remarks input field. And then click save. And now you're going to select the account for debtors and creditors of this particular business partner. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search this account by this business partner's name. So I'm going to type in Vix, and the debtor and creditor account for this business partner will appear as such. So I'm going to select debtors account first, and then I'm going to click plus icon. And I'm going to repeat the process. And now I'm going to select creditors account, and then click plus icon. So now that I have both accounts, what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert the document number of the invoices. So start off with debtors account. So for debtors account, I'm gonna insert the sales invoice number, and then I'm gonna insert the document number for creditors account, which is purchase invoice. And after that, insert the figure for each of the account and decide whether it should stay in debit or credit column. So for debtor, it will be contributed in credit column. In debit column for creditors account, and then click save. And also, you can click on this tiny drop-down selection icon to insert currency, exchange rate, and also debit amount or credit amount if necessary. And there are also tracking input fields for tracking purpose. So my total debit and total credit amount are now balanced, so I'm gonna click confirm and click print icon for an overall view. So as you can see here, the total debit and credit are tally to each other. So now I'm gonna set off both of the amounts against each of the invoices. So you go to accounting and click payment knockoff. And now I'm gonna filter the date of the entry. And then I'm gonna select the name of that business partner. And after that, status as unpresented and search. So I have the amounts here, so click this tiny drop down selection, and as you can see there's an applied amount. Then what I'm gonna take this select checkbox and click knock off. And now I'm gonna check my creditors and debtors aging report to see whether the amount has been set off successfully. We go to report menu, go to accounting, and go to debtors aging details report first, and select by the date and also the business partner code, and then click search. So there is no aging amount from this business partner. It means that the sales invoice has been set off completely. And then let's go take a look at the creditors aging detail report. Select the correct date range and select the business partner's code, and then click search. So click print for the overall view. So let's go and take a look at creditor statement. Filter by the correct date. And then select the business partner. Click preview to print out the statement. So it states here that it has been set off successfully. So those are the samples on how to do manual entries with journal entry. And keep watching for more tutorials.